Hi everyone, welcome to module 56. In this task, I will be just taking you through the process of how you're going to review the entire unit. We have reached the end of unit 4 and we will be reviewing different objectives of this unit through some steps. So the first review that we are going to do is we are going to recap the structure of cell membrane and different mechanisms in which molecules can transport across the membrane through a video. After you watch this video, you will be doing a self-assessment. That is, a few questions will be asked to you, whose responses will be registered in the comment. So make sure you give your responses in the comment section for me to go through and also for your classmates to read. Then the next stage of how you're going to review this unit is through reading. So in the next task after that, you will be reading the revision guide of this unit. And one simple strategy that you're going to use while reading is skim through the headings first and go through the subheadings and then the paragraphs. After that, reread and try to ask what, why, and how questions at each paragraph. In your notebook, you can, because you can't highlight, because this is an online copy, you can actually write down the keywords in your notebook or certain important phrases that are standing out to you while reading the paragraph. No need to make any notes. This is just a recap or take through the whole lesson once again. Read the important statements aloud. Important as in you'll know if there is a bold word written on it, or if it is a diagram or an investigation, read it aloud so that you stay on focus while reading. And then finally, try to do the same thing in the next weekend. But that will actually help you revisit the topic once more. So try to follow this strategy when you're doing the review through reading. Finally, after you finish your review through reading, you will be given a link which you can actually click and go through each of the points in the checklist. It's a checklist, online checklist, and you can actually tick on those checkpoints which you are confident about. And then you can see there is a red circle over here. You have to go over there, click on it, and send me your completed checklist over mail so that I can see that this particular person is confident about these objectives, and the objectives that you are not sure about, you don't tick on the checklist. We can have a one-on-one check-in and you can actually ask me doubts around those objectives, or I will reach out to you. Okay, so this is how we will be reviewing. And now please move to the next task, that is 56.2, where you will review this lesson through a video. Thank you.